What's going on, Unbox Nation? Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing Streamlight Tlr-4 weapon light. We will tell you everything you need to know about Streamlight Tlr-4 weapon light, so keep watching until the end. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. Okay, so in the box we have Streamlight Tlr-4 adapters to fit different weapons, and Streamlight Tlr-4 manual. Now let's jump into the Streamlight Tlr-4 review finally. When it comes to the specifications, Streamlight Tlr-4 tactical light has 170 lumens output. It runs 1.5 hours with LED only or LED and laser, and approximately 11 hours when you're using laser only. Unfortunately, Streamlight Tlr-4 weapon light comes with a non-rechargeable battery, but battery types that you'll need for Streamlight Tlr-4 is CR2 lithium-ion battery. Streamlight Tlr-4 length is approximately 2.73 inches or 6.93 centimeters. Width is approximately 2 inches or 5.08 centimeters. It weighs approximately 2.8 ounces or 79.66 grams. It is 1 meter impact resistant. Tlr-4 is also rated IPX4, which means it takes without any damage, rain, or water being splashed all over it. Its safe operating temperatures are between -10 Fahrenheit to +120 Fahrenheit, or -23 Celsius to 49 Celsius. And its color is obviously black. Guys, smash that like button for the Streamlight Tlr-4 tactical light, a laser combo, ability to operate in the crazy temperatures. And don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you would come even close to using your Streamlight Tlr-4 in those temperatures. Now let's talk about material, build quality, and design of the Streamlight Tlr-4 gun mount light. The Streamlight Tlr-4 body is made of heavy-duty polymer that makes it lightweight, durable, and compact. Streamlight Tlr-4 gun mount light has been specifically made to fit small to full-size guns. It's solidly built with no rattles or shaky parts when in movement. It also can withstand the recoil from 9mm up to 45 caliber rounds without any problems for light or laser. The Streamlight Tlr-4 reflector is a textured parabolic shape which allows the center beam to illuminate the target while keeping the surroundings fairly lit. Streamlight Tlr-4 gun mount light is packed with features that are really convenient and useful. Streamlight Tlr-4 has a momentary on-off switch. Streamlight Tlr-4 installation is very easy. Due to the adapters that it comes with, it can fit everything from subcompact to full-size handguns, plus all shotguns and rifles with the standard accessory rails. Streamlight Tlr-4 features C4 LED technology and a 640 to 660 nanometer red laser. Rail clamp is designed to make Streamlight Tlr-4 installation from side of the weapon painless. One-handed snap-on and tighten interface keeps hands away from muzzle when attaching and detaching. The Streamlight Tlr-4 is equipped with an electronic circuitry which provides a regulated intensity output. Light will not change its brightness nearing the end of the battery. The Tlr-4 is equipped with the Crest C4 LED light emitter, which is a chip is known to be almost indestructible, withstanding heat, shock, and rugged treatment in a field and low power consumption with regards to its high lighting power. The C4 LED has no glass or filament, therefore it is indestructible. So you don't have to worry whether or not this light will die on you. It has a practically almost infinite light, around 50,000 hours according to the Streamlight. Guys, smash that like button for this little light considering the amount of features it holds, and comment down below and let me know your thoughts about it. Streamlight Tlr-4 has very straightforward controls, which is momentary two-sided on-off switch that is super easy to use with either hand. Streamlight Tlr-4 on-off switch has two modes, constant on and on only while pressed. The 3-position mode selector switches between flashlight only, laser only, and combination with both light and laser. It's kind of hard to see the laser in the video when the flashlight is on. But it is there, guys. There you go. I hope you can see it at least a little bit. There's also 2 adjustment screws mounted on the lower side of the Streamlight Tlr-4. One is the windage adjustment located on the left hand side of the laser cartridge. It allows for adjusting the laser to the left or to the right. The other screw is the elevation adjustment located on the underside of the cartridge. It allows for adjusting the laser up or down. Guys, smash that like button, because if these controls are not straightforward, I don't know what kind of controls are. And of course, don't forget to let us know what you think about these controls and the Streamlight Tlr-4 gun mount light overall in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching my video about Streamlight Tlr-4 tactical light laser combo, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. Subscribe and don't forget to smash the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content. And remember, guys, it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. So never give up and keep pushing forward.